Building a fantastic AlunoTec pergola does not require too much building knowledge and proper planning. Just need some handy tools we mentioned in the manual, and then you can DIY the kit set from pieces to a semi-permanent structure with ease. The first thing you do is undo the Allen bolts. Align the base plate with the bottom of the post and connect the bolts to the bottom of the base. Next step is to connect the beam to the corner post by sliding the beam into the connector, and align the holes so that they can match, and then insert the bolt into the pre-drilled holes. Do the exact same, but just the other way around before erecting part of the frame up. Slide the beam with hook part onto each of the corner posts and screw the bolts in place. Attach the post top covers to the top of the post with the Allen bolts. Fix pergola posts to the concrete ground foundations with anchor bolts. Next up is to click the driven blade into the 7th groove of the hooked beam. Install the rest of the louver blades and click directly into the groove on the beams. Align the louver blade end caps with control rod, and then pass the clips through the holes in each louver end cap. Slide the motor inside the gutter, and hook the perimeter gutter to the beam all around. Attach the motor to the beam and move the motor shaft to connect with the 7th driven blade end cap. Next step is to connect the LED lighting end to end through the male-female connectors. Once the electrician has completed the connection, you can supply the power with plug-in and test the opening and closing of the pergola roof. Dongguan Aluno Industry Company Limited is a professional enterprise integrating research, development, design, production, sales, export, and service. With a strong production capacity of 20,000 square meter factory, AlunoTec, as the top leading brand in outdoor living industry, has business scope covering 120 plus countries, and has the ability to do OEM, ODM, not only for our wholesalers and distributors, but also for designers, builders, and individual users with customized services. AlunoTec pergolas are a great outdoor structure to transform your backyard from the average yard to an ultimate outdoor living space. At AlunoTec, we deliver not just a pergola, but more of a unique outdoor lifestyle.